Alright, so. Oh, dude, that's good.
That's mint. Yeah, that'll hold.
8mm bolt, dude, those things are always.
Oh, yeah, that'll hold.
Wait, dude, let me get right past that.
Yeah, you want to go slow. Easy, okay? Easy. Good news! Jesus.
Told you to watch me!
Hey, the bolt held up.
Dude, that shit came out with it. Oh, it's off the motor.
It came out of the head. Bend it back. Wait. Pound that back in place.
Oh wait, dude, the spark plug needs a little bit of adjustment.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Perfect!
Actually, it's even better. No.
I gotta steer with that.
You're not even gonna be able to steer it.
Hook it around the axle. We're not using that part. Well, you can't bend the frame though. Oh my god, this is so stupid.
Oh my.
It can't even go in reverse. It's that close.
Dude, now you gotta hook it back up.
Oh yeah. Perfect. Hey, you might want to go really slow. I don't really have any steering. And I'm holding your phone, so. Slow.
You can make it around that?
I can't.
Wait, dude. Alright, that's gonna be a tight turn, though.
I can't turn these either. Hey, Bryson, wait. I can't turn the wheels.
Come on.
No, we're gonna hit the tree. Yep, and we're in the tree. Ow.
It's on the steering wheel instead of the axle.
I can't turn the wheel. Here, you need to hold.
the rear end. No, lift up the rear.
Here. Oh my god. Oh my god!
Look at that.
Come here. Good. We're hooking it. Ooh. We try to run to catch up. Dude. Whoa. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, what? What a goon. Come on, flip over. I think that's what he's trying to do. What was that? Dude, the thing is beat, bro. Dude, that held on. We're not using that, but yeah, but dude, I hope we didn't like fuck up the frame from this.
No.
You twisted,
Oh, dude, I need those tires.
dude. You twisted your front axle. Does anybody?
Should have been a chopping and freaking weld, not right.
Okay, we need to bring it over here. We're not using the front axle. I don't know what we're gonna do, but
wait, no. See these things that like turn in here? We'll just like weld these onto the frame, just like directly to the frame.
yeah, but then we're gonna have to figure out how to use it to
Oh,
steer.
I don't know if we told you guys, but we're building a freaking go-kart.
Yeah, we're building a go-kart. That's what this video. This is what this video was. So the video was supposed to be about us building a go-kart, and then it kind of turned into this. Tokyo Drift. Oh yeah. Drift in it. So this is how junk this thing is.